The third reason natural selection is not science, evolution is not science, particularly natural selection, it cannot see the future or work toward a goal, so it would not select something that would not be helpful to the creature's immediate survival. Now here's what Darwin stated. We may feel sure that any variation in the least degree injurious would be destroyed. This means that partly formed structures, such as partial wing, would not be preserved. Evolutionists believe that one creature changed into another creature by small changes happening over millions and millions of years. Evolutionists say that the bird evolved from a small reptile dinosaur like this. This is a model at the Australian Museum in Darlinghurst. The dinosaur supposedly began to grow feathers and wings and gradually became a bird. This is how they depict the part dinosaur and part bird as it evolved. This hasn't been seen. This is just someone's figment of imagination, and they've put some color to it and made it interesting and put it in a museum. But that's all it is. It's just an idea. It has feathers, it has small wings, it has a beak, but still it wouldn't be able to fly. It's impossible for this thing to fly. So what good is it? The models in museums show the part bird with two fully formed wings. But evolution would need to start with the dinosaur growing a part of a wing. Even if this could happen, it would be of no advantage to the creature. In fact, it would be a crippled monster like a four-winged fruit fly. According to evolution, the process is blind and cannot see the future or plan toward a goal. So it doesn't make sense. Here's another example. Consider whale evolution. We'll look at this in more detail in another session, but evolutionists say the whale evolved from a wolf-like creature, and they give this model at the British Museum of Natural History. And again, here it is on a website. You can see at the top there is the wolf-like creature, and they show these intermediate stages gradually changing into various other types of creatures, finally becoming a whale. Here's another chart at the Pacific Science Center in Seattle. It depicts all of the whales descending from a little wolf-like creature in the top left. That's, again, figment of imagination. Here's how the National Geographic describes it. They said the whale's ascendancy to sovereign size apparently began 60 million years ago when hairy four-legged mammals, in search of food or sanctuary, ventured into the water. As eons passed, changes slowly occurred. Hind legs disappeared. Front legs changed into flippers. Hair gave way to a thick, smooth blanket of blubber. Nostrils moved to the top of the head. The tail broadened into flukes. And in the buoyant water world, the body became enormous. How enormous? Well, here's a comparison to a full-grown man. Now, we have to ask, how could this happen? If a wolf started growing a flipper, what would happen to that creature? Well, it would be a crippled monster, and according to survival of the fittest, it would not survive. The other wolves would quickly be set upon it.